the universal language of joy, creativity, and social interaction. It builds confidence, cooperation, and problem solving. And by making learning fun, we encourage repeated engagement, leading to mastery. Our commitments to CDGs are quality education, gender equality, innovation, and sustainability. It's in the heart of GOM because our products are made out of organic, biodegradable materials, ensuring a low carbon footprint, and by nurturing young minds and promoting sustainability, we pave the way for a brighter future. Hope to play together one day.